I was a good student with character, but not a high mark scoring student or something like that. But see, step by step, the character brings all the things to you. You know, when you are dealing with somebody, when you are smiling with somebody, see, we are not losing anything. See, I always say, people who's coming from Arab area and Asian area, the difference is, you know, when we are entering the home, okay, my wife is sitting in the chair, she is sitting there, my children is sitting somewhere and studying or whatever it is, they are studying. But you know, Arab culture, it is not like that. If mother is coming or father is coming in home, they all come, hug, maybe with you know, a smile or without smile, at least they are hugging each other, you know, wishing each other. That's a good character. You know, I'm respecting somebody who is coming to my home. This is the same way, Fiji Guard also, I feel. You know, when somebody coming new to Fiji Guard, we hug them, we give them all the energy, we give all the things what we, even the knowledge what we have, we are giving to them, all the possibilities we are telling them, and we are telling them how to create business, how to catch people, you know, how to know good people. See, this is the thing. Whatever we have, when we are giving to somebody, then it will increase. See, I know there is a lot of people, maybe they were working with some other companies and all these things, even networking companies and all. But there is a lot of people newly came to this business. But all of them, when they came to Fiji Guard, you know, the mentality of the people around you, you know, there is nobody is trying to cheat you or something like that. Everybody want to help you because everybody is helping each other. You know, last week, I think Kanu, Rash and all these people were in Russell Khaimah. We are doing a lot of things, you know, together. See, it's not like, you know, I am the CEO or they are working or something. See, we do everything. Yes, you said. They know. Within 2 hours, 3 hours time, we made a lot of videos. And maybe you have seen also that Arabic ladies and the lot of videos we have done. You know, that same moment, we go to that lady and tell them, you know, she is our customer. Actually, she was buying things through Fiji Guard also. But we told them that we need some advertisement materials, some videos and promotions and all. She told, okay, I'm very happy to do that. I taken, and I think we have taken in Arabic and English also. Yes. There is a lot of videos coming. Other than that, also there is other nationalities. We've done videos with Sri Lankan, Filipinos, Egyptian, Lebanese. There is a doctor who was buying products from us. He also has given his comments. You know, a lot of videos. See, these creates you know, more energy to other people. Even in India, when we release, I think I got a message today that a video of that lady. You know, everybody is wondered. You know, the people can accept Fiji Guard. Even Arab people can accept Fiji Guard. And why other people is not accepting? That is what they are thinking. You know, see, the thing, we have lot of things. But the problem is, see, I'll give you an example. There is a guy, Indian guy, he is from Bangalore. He is making the best liquor in the world. Now it is, you know, there is a liquor Bible, it says. You know, it has given the 3rd rank for that liquor. Its name is, I think, Amrit. You know, nobody know. We know a lot of other brands, you know. I'm not telling the brands and all this thing. Okay, but these people, what happened is he is creating the best quality liquor in the world. He is having everything in his hand, but the problem, we don't know how to sell it. He was giving to a lot of groceries in London and all, and you know, like I said, you know, near to church, there is a grocery, there is this liquor available. Near to masjid, there is a grocery, this liquor is available, but there is no sale. See, this liquor has to sell, means he has to put it in the bars. He has to put it in the beverage shops. You know, like that, we have lot of products with us. Lot of beauty products we have, our own core products we have. NutriCharge, it's a very good product. It's a proved one. Even I think last week, Anish was having some joint pain. He tried for 2-3 days and I think he is okay now.
Yes.
And we have to take a video for Anish also for that. Huh? No, see, there is, we have lot of good products, but we didn't take these things to the people who need this or who can sell this. When Kanu and Rush came to Russell Khema, we were discussing about a lot of things. Then I have given a small idea to them that NutriCharge is a health supplement actually. Who is using health supplement? No, normal people like us, we are not using it. But people going for gym and bodybuilding and all these people, they are using it. Means where we have to sell this product, not to the normal people. You have to see there is lot of gyms everywhere. Everywhere in UAE there is lot of gyms. What you have to do is you have to find the person who is running the gym. Okay, go to him and talk to him. Let him join in FijiCart and you sell these products through him. Means it's easy. And another thing, they are selling like for a monthly package, 3 months package. Means it's a big amount stake. You can earn, they can earn, and you can tell them, see, I'll tell you, now today you are working in this gym as a manager. When you are working in the gym, they will give you salary. But FijiCart will give you the salary when you are not working and you are sitting at home. See, you have to give these ideas to these people and let them, come to FijiCart and sell these type of business. Because, they are the people, they can sell more. See, we have to find where is the people who need these things. Detecting, the actual buyers. Then, see, half of our business is done. The problem, where we are going to a lot of people telling about our products, our FijiCart team and all these things. But some people, maybe you have taken 1 day, 2 days, 3 days time and it is not working out. But your 3 days has gone. Your time is money. Your service is money. Your energy is money. Where if you don't know how to convert it to business, there is no use. You must have a good plan that when you are spending your time, when you are spending your money, not money, you are not spending money, your time, your service or your knowledge, when you are giving it to somebody, that it has to convert to business, it has to convert to money. Then only it will be useful. That's a very good point. You have to note that where you have to sell these products, who can sell this product more, go to that point and catch them. Then it is easy. It's very easy. See, a lot of people who was working in other companies, maybe in higher positions and all, when we are coming to FijiCart, in the beginning, maybe we cannot earn a lot of bucks or a lot of PV, VV and all these things. But later on it will come. But always I say, when in football, we say we got a penalty. We stand in a place and make a shot. Maybe it will not be a good goal, but we have to go 2 steps behind, take a penalty. It will be a good goal. See, when you are standing somewhere, you are going back 2 steps. Don't feel that bad, or you are feeling that when you go back. Oh no, I don't want to go back. I will stand here only. See, you are going 2 steps back to get a good start again. Take it in that way. See, sometimes we, even in our life, we say, oh no, I lost the job. I don't have money now. I am not like before. I don't have the spending power like before. When then this negative energy, it comes up, then they will take to our head, we will be down. See, we don't want that way. You have to think, even if it is 2 steps back, you feel proud that tomorrow I can come up. This positive energy can bring you up. See, every day, even sometimes film stars were telling, every day morning I have to stand in the mirror and say, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Yes, that is true. That you have to say that I can do it means I can do it. Maybe not today, but tomorrow. That energy is there in everybody's mind, everybody's heart, everybody's body. But the thing is, when this negative energy coming up, if we didn't act well to bring positive energy up, the things will go bad. But we have the energy, everybody have that positive energy. I'm sure that everybody can bring it up. We need it to come up. Even, sometimes I feel that in the schooling, even in all over Asia, most of the time it's the same thing. Lot of things we are studying in schools, history, geography, lot of things we are studying after the graduation, except maths and little English. We are not using all other subjects at all. But the actual thing they were supposed to teach us about our character or how to respect somebody, these all things they are not teaching us. It is not in our curriculum. See, when I visited Japan on school, from 5th standard and 6th standard, what they are teaching students is how to respect somebody, how we have to respect them. How to, whatever we are using, even the toilets, these small children's cleaning. Because, we say if my child go to clean a toilet or something like that, no, don't do it. You don't know anything. It's not the way. India or Nepal or Pakistan or Philippines or anywhere, from when we are coming to Gulf, most of us don't know anything. But after coming here, we study how to cook, how to eat also. Sometimes we come by here because when sitting in front of other people, we cannot eat like how we are eating at home. Sometimes some people when they are eating, there is sound coming. These are things. See, even me, when I am eating in my home, that same way I cannot eat when we are sitting with somebody. These are things. We don't know how to use the cutlery. We don't know how to use the fork and all these things. These are things we are studying because it's a studying. It's an everyday process. Even see, I'll tell you a small story of mine. After graduation, I went for to join in Hotel Management Institute. There was a nice principal lady. She asked me a lot of questions in English. In India, I studied in a government school and college. English is a normal thing. I don't know how to speak or something like that. I know the things, but I don't have the confidence to talk. That's the thing. Lot of things we know. Maybe if they tell to write an essay, maybe I can write it. But I don't know how to speak. I don't have the confidence to speak. She told, no, you don't know English, I cannot give you the admission in the Hotel Management Institute. After that, I went to travel and tourism industry. Okay, it's like God's wish. God is showing some way to reach somewhere. God has to, the way maybe it is little difficult. If I go for hotel management, maybe I'll not stand here in front of you. See, lot of way, because sometimes we are rejected from somewhere, means it is not my end of our life. It's a start. It's a new start. The story every day it is coming in Facebook and all. That's why I don't want to say, but tell that Jack Ma's story. Many time rejected. From everywhere rejected. Even Kentucky also didn't give. He told that 24 people gone for interview, 23 got job. Only one is rejected, that's he. These all things has to inspire you. Because we got a job, at least we are working, all of you working somewhere. And you are having again opportunities coming to you. There is a lot of good opportunities coming to you. And the company is ready to give you everything, all the support to grow you up. Because even this resort training program and all these things, why we are making it? Because see, we need people it is not working, who is dying for Fiji card. They want to grow up. We want to see people tomorrow that okay, they have to tell everybody that through Fiji card we reached into this thing. Maybe in the beginning stage there is a lot of difficulty because this is a business that in the beginning stage money will not come to your pocket, but later on, that dream, that later on, that it could bring a lot of things to you. Now also see, we have started 2016 Fiji card in UAE. 2018 we moved to India. Now we are going to a fantastic place with lot of ice, lot of mountain, lot of nice people, lot of nice girls, lot of nice boys, lot of beautiful boys, lot of beautiful girls. This is a right time that I have to announce to you that we are going with a big team in Nepal, that is the Chowdhury group. Everybody in Nepal, Chowdhury group, they are the biggest group in Nepal. See, Fiji card is a good group and they are going with a big group in Nepal. It will be known as later CG Fiji card. In Nepal. Because they have, what is the owner of CG group? He sent a message, we have electricity, we have our own electricity, we have our own mobile, we have our own 4G, we have our own dams, we have our own FMG city sector, we have our own LG production company. See, everything they have. Means we don't want to look into any other products at all. And the confidence which even you people working here also, that see, we are joining hands with the biggest company. Not we are not taking somebody that who can spend money only. We are not looking for money. We need power. We need powerful people. Because to grow big or dream big, we need big people with us. See, maybe without their support, maybe we can start Fiji card there. But what we need is when nowadays it is not globally what is happening. A single person cannot handle a lot of things. Everybody has to close the hands together. Then it can be a big dream. We can make a big things. That's why what we feel is any places we go, we have to catch the biggest name in that country. Together with Fiji card means it's a big change. Definitely, I'm sure that our Nepali friends are they must be proud of Fiji card that we are joining hands with the Chowdhury group. And even you can say that okay, even if you are calling your home or your friends or something, I started working in Fiji card in Dubai. And now we are coming to Nepal, and this is our, partner in Nepal. Means nobody want to give an introduction for Chowdhury Group in Nepal. Yes. Our leader is, I think, just a second. I'll call him here because he was
हामी नेपाल लन्च गर्दै छौं एकदमै ठुलो कम्पनी please to give an introduction about Chowdhury Group. Vinod Chowdhury, you all people know, and each and every Nepali know who is Vinod Chowdhury. So no need to any clarification which company we are going to join with in Nepal. So thank you, John sir.
Thank you. See, we need everybody's effort. See, we didn't see anybody that he is working or started work in Fiji card now. The other person is the vice president of the Fiji card. Other person is the CEO of Fiji card or CEO of Fiji card. See, we are looking into everybody that everybody can support Fiji card. Anybody can do anywhere. See, we have Filipino friends also here. Definitely we are coming to Philippines also. We are not leaving You know, lot of possibilities there. Now see, as I have told in a meeting in Cochin, there was a launching ceremony 8th of July in Cochin for India. I told everybody, nobody can stop Fiji Card now. Because you know, we are going with the people who is very confident on Fiji Card, and we are going with the high level people. You know, anywhere you can go and say, see, like we told, you know, see, Fiji Card is joining hands with Chowdhury Group means nobody can look into them. You know what Vinay Chowdhury he told us, you know, bring me, we were asking him, you know, Anish was in the discussion, you know, they were, we were asking to like get a license for Fiji Card and all those things. He told, okay, whatever things you need, give me the paper. Tomorrow government official will come to our office and give the license. That is the strength, you know. See, we have to see something, you know. See, when we are joining hands with these people, our confidence also improving. You know, our work style will improve. Because you know, we got already office there, work started already. They have given a time limit. Within 60 days, we have to launch in Nepal. Three of their staff is working for us now. Okay, we are making the legal formalities and all these things because in Nepal there is some legal formalities are there because you know Nepali has to have 51% share and a lot of things are there. But we are trying to sort it out. But the best thing, you know, the support from this CG group, you know, the confidence for CG group in Fiji Card, you know, it is surprising. Because, you know, we are a small company. This CG group, they are having a strong presence in 30 countries. And he was suggesting, you know, if you need something in Bangladesh also, in a phone call we can fix it because he's, the Bangladeshi partner for CG Group is the strongest guy in Bangladesh. There's a lot of things. See, with the friendship, with having hands together, lot of things, lot of possibilities coming up. You know, when Fiji Card is with this group, means no other companies can look into us. No other company can complain or something like that, you know, do bad things for us. Nothing is going to happen. Because, you know, see, this is, as we can say, then, you know, there is a wedding that, you know, everybody that we born poor, it's not our mistake. But if we are dying poor, that is our own mistake. You want to die poor? No. We want to die poor? No. We don't want to die poor. Yes. And as Fiji Card, I will tell you that we will not allow, Fiji Card will not allow anybody with us to die poor. Why? Because see, we plan it in a way that, see, you know, the close friends who is working with the management, closely with the management, they know. Last 2 years, even me or Anish or anybody, not, you know, having a free tea also, even from Fiji Card. Not taken a single dirham from Fiji Card. Because, you know, see, we want the company to grow. We put our all the effort. The company has to come big. It is not the time to take the money. But we see, the asset for us is you. All of you is our asset. It's our money. We bring money for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm sure that tomorrow, this asset of us, or the first family of us, they will bring money for us. We don't want it today. We are also saying like you. We are having a dream. We are with you in the dream. We want to go for a long journey. I always tell my people that, you know, see, we are looking for a long-time relationship. I don't want somebody to come for 6 months and go, somebody come for 4 months and go. No. See, there was hard times. You know, sometimes, you know, there is delays in payout, and I know, see, we know a lot of things is there, but the strength which you people given to us, that nobody given this support, even our family didn't give this support. See, when we were having good time, definitely, we are not the people that, we throw everybody out and we stand alone. See, when we have bad time, there is a lot of people supported us, lot of people were with us. When there is a good time, we will make sure that all these people must be with us. It will be with us. We will tell them to be with us and we will take them with us. We will not leave them. Unfortunately, last week there was one person who was working in a lower level in Fiji Card. He just joined, I think 1 week after joining, with an accident he died in India. Today our chairman went there. Personally, I think maybe some of you have seen that video. We given big support to them, to his family, by financially we given. And second thing, we promised that we will keep that ID for this family. Okay. Not only that, we have a discussion with the team leaders, make sure that these IDs, both the side has to grow well.
Yeah.
We take him that way. See, maybe he worked 1 week only, but he put the hands in, or he put the leg in our house. We cannot throw him. See, his family is our family. See, it is, we cannot give a big financial support or something like that. We are also growing, that a lot of things are there. But whatever it is possible, we have done. This is the way we have to grow. Because today I am here, today you are here, because anything happen to anybody, anytime. But we have to go in this way. Because this is a new thing. See, everywhere what is happening, see, I'll tell you some story of Ratan Tata. There was some shooting and all these things in Bombay. There is a lot of people died that time. That people who died, who was working in Taj Mahal Hotel, still Ratan Tata is sending the salaries to their home. Still. And the promotion time, with the promotion letter, that salary is going to their home. That is the way people who, we have to continue these things. Okay, when we are working, we are getting salary, it's a normal thing. It is not something special. But see, when we are in need of something, when our family in need of something, then we are getting something that is very special. That is making people different. You can see a lot of millionaires all over the world. But these type of people, like Ratan Tata and all, we have to follow them. See, maybe he is doing big things, we can start to do small things. Anybody, see, the group is there. We have a group, a big group now. Here are, I think, almost 103 or 105 people only, but we have a big group. We have a big group. Anything any problem, anything, we can sort it out or help our people. Thank you. We can help. I have a bad throat because last week I was in India, in Kerala. There is a lot of rain going on. We went to some place, and there almost 4 kilometers. Half of the way, big rain came. Even if I go back or go front, there is nothing is there. Means 2 kilometers, we have to have good rain with all the family. Everybody is okay. I was a little bit affected. No problem. By the way, if somebody is coming to Kerala, welcome, because it's a good rain time. It's a heavy rain. Maybe after 1 week, it will be okay. Okay. That you all people see, we were supposed to take our all friends to India for our launching in 8th of July. But unfortunately, because of the film stars availability and a lot of things, last minute only it's fixed. Otherwise, at least 10-20 people, even from different nationalities, we were planning to take to India for the launch. It has not happened, but a lot of new things are coming up again and again. Because Fiji Cart is growing, everybody is growing. Today there is another announcement also is coming up. Before we bring Sania Mirza with the NutriCharge, today we made the agreement with NutriCharge that it's a big deal. It's a very big deal. By June 2019, we will be bringing the world's highest paid, biggest man, Amitabh Bachchan. Until now, he didn't go for anything outside India for any direct selling or multi-level marketing or e-commerce companies, any functions. First time he is coming to UAE, that is for Fiji Cart. This thing happened today, noon time only. Means today, I think Jyotish and all fixed the resort training program. I think long time preparation today it was happening. But this thing happened today. Anish was there in Bombay today. We made an agreement already, but the date is not fixed. But the program is fixed. It will be June 2019. I think they have given some condition for sale and all these things. I think a lot of you know about that. But you see, whenever we are planning something, we can reach to that level. See, as you have a dream, it is coming true the same way. We have a dream that step by step we are going to that, we are trying again, we are pushing that, and we are getting that dream done. It is the same way we have done Nepal. Now today it is happened with Amitabh Bachchan. It's a big thing. It is Amitabh Bachchan. It's not a star of Indian only. He is a global star. If you go to Egypt and or the Egypt, Morocco, Lebanon, Russia, and all, he's a more fans than India. Egyptian girls are behind him now, not now. Yes, Muhammad. Egyptian girls are behind Amitabh Bachchan. See, really, I remember that he came to Cairo airport. He cannot go out because a lot of girls were standing there to touch him. Because Hindi films are very familiar in even Arab world. Even my sponsor here in Ras Al Khaimah, every day he watches Hindi film. Every day. This even nationals also every day they are watching films. See, it is a big game. We have to use it. See, this Amitabh Bachchan is coming means that day we are planning for a 5,000 people meeting. It's the biggest, it's a history in network marketing or direct selling company in UAE. We will make that. We will make that. I'm sure that we will make it. See, in the first meeting or second meeting in Ajman, we have done a meeting. That time I was telling, see, I am sure, I am confident that if it is 2020 is coming, even my name, people will be recognizing me because of Fiji Cart, not because of my travel or my... See, I am this much confident means you must be more than confident than me.
Yes. Yes.
Because I am sure that I cannot be familiar more than this with my travel division or my resort or whatever business I have, I cannot. But Fiji Cart will bring me name, fame, everything. It will take some time. We have to wait for it. Everybody have, when we are putting effort, then the result, it need time. anything, any effort. See, even a farmer making some in the farm, he's waiting for 9 months, 8 months. Some like coconut tree and all these things, we have to wait for 2-3 years, to get then after 3 years, sometimes we see that this is not a good tree. But he is not fed up with that. He changed that and put another one. Wait for 3 years again. We don't want to do that. But see, when we are that is a hard working people. We are not do that way. We are smart working people. Before we are putting that plant, we have to know, we have to make research and know this is a good plant or not. The people who are sitting here, most of them done the research and come to Fiji card. Means that plant will not be like the other one. It will give good results. But we have to wait for some time. We have to put little more effort, but we have to wait for some time. But definitely I am sure that things will come. I think a lot of things I have discussed with you. I'll just a second. Maybe I forget something, The other thing also, see, I was supposed to tell you because even Bobby Chamnur came with Fiji card for India. The best thing Fiji card, it's a differentiate from the other direct selling companies or multi-level marketing companies is, all other companies, the owners, even you can't see them. They are sitting, behind the screen and running the company and taking money only. Here the benefit is even us, even me or Anish, working together with you, shoulder to shoulder. We are ready, we don't have an ego at all. If you say tomorrow that, okay, we have to go somewhere, we have to do this work, we are ready. There is no issue at all. Because what we have to see, this is a good team. This is 100 people. We are planning for 60 people. That's why, I told Jojish that everybody has to be in t-shirt and all these things. And he told, no, you bring only 60. Now we have more than 100. It's good that it's more than 100, okay? But we were planning for something, but it has gone more than their expectation. That's good. Means they are not good planners. If they are good planners, but by the way, Jojish, he is also like us, because he is studying things, and he is come. Jojish also has taken a lot of effort. Sajiv was telling today, Jojish is taking a lot of effort and doing things very good. I told, okay, he's your like son. You teach him. You teach him. Okay, then he teach him and he's coming. See, the best thing when we were talking about the character, I feel proud and I am addicted to Sajiv. When he was telling that, he is appreciating Jojish. See, appreciation and apology, these two things, we have to make it a practice in our life. That especially, see, I am telling again, because see, whatever the negatives we have, we keep it inside, there is no use. We have to tell them, this is negative, we have to change it. I tell you, you tell your people, somebody tell me, see, then only we can correct it. The problem is, see, somebody is doing good. We have to appreciate. We have that culture is there already in Fiji card. It's a good culture. I say that, in our home, maybe my wife or my mother, every day morning breakfast, and lunch, dinner. Anytime I say, thank you, the dish was good. No, I eat and go. But Europeans, see, this is the difference. Even the food is not good also, He say, wow. See, we have to know that maybe if your wife bring you something and if it is good, you say good, very good, thank you, or something like that, some nice words. It can give a big energy to her, even to our mother. Sometimes you have to see, I am 47 years now. When I look back, until now I didn't tell my mother that, this dish was good, this things was good. We eat and enjoy and go. We have to change it. See, something we have to change it means we have to change it. Girls are smiling. Because they know this is not happening in our home. But we have to change it. We can change it also. At least when they are bringing good, say good. What we do is when they are bringing bad, we say bad. But the other side, we are not looking into that. The same way, see, I was respecting Sajeev for that. Because, see, when it's good, I have to say it's good. Don't take that, your ego up and, no, I will not say. Because if I appreciate him, I'll be going down. No, when he appreciated Jojish, his value has gone up. That is the thing, that is the way we want. And even if I have done something wrong, I have to say sorry, apology to anybody, even to children. It must be a practice. See, even Sajeev, sometimes he is fighting for you people. I am fighting for, to restrict something. He always fight until the end. Sometimes he said bad words also to us. Because, he want to take his right. Not his right, he is not taking his own, that money or whatever it is, but he is trying to get more business, to satisfy you people. He is standing in between, He cannot say no to me, no to you also. Sorry, one second. It's a good character. This is what we say character. Then later on, he himself will come to us. Oh, sorry, that I talked little harsh because I need to do that for them. See, then he says these things, all things it has gone already. Respect is going up. Yes, everybody know Sajeev, even if he is here or he is in India or anywhere. See why you are giving this much respect to him today also. He is coming maybe after 5 or 6 months. Why? Because before he showed the character to you, he showed that respect to you. That's why still we are respecting him. Otherwise, somebody will go from here after second day. We say this guy was bad, this guy was this. And after 5 months, we forget about that. We didn't even to look into him also. That is the thing. See, in Fiji card, what we need is, we need to improve these type of good qualities. And people who is outside, they will see, okay, Fiji card people are there, they are, good people. See, even if something, we don't do anything for the benefit only. If they are convinced, let them join. To get that profit or get that commission or something like that, don't